so weird. I feel like I'm on CNN right now. Okay. Hi guys, my name is Reem and I'm a nurse esthetician. Today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of pre-cleansing. I've been doing makeup for as long as I can remember. It's definitely a form of art and expression, but at the end of the day, it definitely needs to come off. So I'm going to show you how I cleanse. The first thing I like to do is pre-cleanse with Cerabalm. I like pre-cleansing because it's a great way to remove makeup, oil buildup, sunscreen, and the day's grime. So I have dry acne-prone skin and it's really hard to find a cleanser that doesn't break me out or strip the skin. Cerabalm contains spirulina and sea buckthorn oil, which are great ingredients in preventing inflammation, dryness, and breakouts. So let me pull my hair back and we'll get started. So normally I like to take a generous amount, like this much, and then I'll warm it up with my hands and then I'll start cleansing. I specifically like to put emphasis on the chin area because a lot of people tend to neglect that area. Circular motions help to break the makeup down as well as your sunscreen. You can literally see it come off. And here's the best part. My waterproof lip liner off. And then I like to reach the end of the hairline because people also tend to get breakouts there, which just means you need to cleanse a little bit longer. When I get around the eyes, I like to be a little bit more cautious and more gentle. So I do have eyelash extensions on, and if you wear eyelash extensions, it's important to refrain from putting any oil on them because it does remove them. I like to take a Q-tip and just kind of focus it on the lash line where I had the liner on. And then even focusing on where I initially had my eyeshadow takes it right off. I like to take a washcloth specifically on the terry side so it removes all the makeup I just melted off. Upward strokes only, you do not want to push down on the face. And here is what we have removed with Cerabalm. The second cleanse is what preps your skincare routine, such as toning, masking, serums, and moisturizing. And so I'll take a little bit more than what I normally put on, and then I'll add a little bit of water, and then I'll emulsify it. Same exact movements, circular movements. And you can even massage the product into the skin now that it's clean. And now that I'm done with my second cleanse, I'll take the muslin side of the washcloth and just remove my cleanser. I like using the muslin side because it's a lot softer and it gives your skin a clean slate for your skincare routine.